guys, Larry from Larry Life, and today I'm here at Long Beach Airport at Ross Aviation. I'm going to take my first helicopter lesson. So that means I get to fly the helicopter, guys. Well, not exactly. I mean, I get help flying it, but still, it's going to be really fun. Well, let's go check it out. Guys, so I just got back from flying and it was so fun. My instructor, John, took me up in the helicopter and I got to fly it around some spots. We were flying over the water, I got to fly over the Queen Mary, so I'll put some of the footage in. Anyway, I had a blast. Thank you so much to, what was it called? I forgot. Anthony Liam. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but thank you so much to them, and yeah.
And John, your instructor.
And John, my helicopter instructor. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!